Hi everyone, welcome to the examsavi.com. This is Shivapriya going to present you with the GATE exam preparation session 2. In the last session, we saw about the eligibility criteria and the preparation tips for the GATE examination. So in this session, we will be seeing in detail about the subject-wise analysis and the GATE score evaluation. So let's move on to the subject-wise analysis now. It is always important for a candidate to have a good understanding on the subjective and objective analysis for each of the engineering subject. So here we have gathered some statistics based on the previous 5-year question paper for some of the major engineering streams like civil engineering, computer science and electrical engineering. So let's first look into the civil engineering. For civil engineering people, most of the technical questions used to come from the geotechnical topic. You can score around 20% of mark if you are thorough enough in this area. The next focus area should be environmental engineering as it contributes to around 10% in the technical paper. Other areas like irrigation and hydrology, structural analysis paper, all these can be given less attention since they have only a very little presence in the technical paper. And for the computer science students, algorithm is always an evergreen subject and it has to be given the top importance in your preparation plan. Then comes the digital logic and programming and data structure as it has nearly 10% of contribution in the technical paper. And areas like software and web technology attracts very less attention, and in fact there are some topics like compiler design which are at times totally left untouched. They don't have even a single question in the last 5-year question papers. So students should prioritize and focus on the important areas when they are devising their study plan. And for electrical engineering, network theory, analog and digital electronics are always on the top place. EMT and power electronics can be given less attention as per the last 5-year question paper trends. And like I said in the last session, in the common subjects you will get around 30 marks and in the core subjects you will get around 40 marks. So make a proper study plan and prepare accordingly. And there is also something that I would like to tell here is in the GATE examination there will be a total of 100 marks and the number of questions will be 65. Some questions will carry 1 mark and some other will carry 2 marks. There are also some linked problems in certain papers. The linked problems in the sense the answer of the second question will be based on the answer of the first question. So if you make any mistake in the first question, your second question will also go wrong. So keep all these in mind and prepare yourself better. So let's move on to the next topic, GATE score evaluation. The GATE score is basically evaluated in 4 different ways. First thing is rank. It tells about your position. And the second thing is mark. The mark tells about how much you have scored out of 100. And the third thing is percentile. It tells you how many students are behind you in this GATE race. And the last but not least, it is the GATE score. The GATE score is the only thing that tells about the intellectual level of the student. The admission into IITs and IISCs are totally based on the GATE score only. The highest possible score is 1000 and of course the least possible score is 0. This GATE score is valid only for 2 years from the date of the examination. So if you can manage to score a rank below 1000, you will get into IIT, and if you can get below 3000, you can get into top NITs in India, and even otherwise if you can score somewhere around 8000, you can get into some of the top deemed universities in India. So keep all these rank factors in mind when you are preparing for the exam. So let's move on to the next topic, motivation tips. Motivation is a very important force that always drives a process or change. So it is always important to keep yourself self-motivated. So here are some tips for the same. Always practice the technique of focusing on a particular thing close to 10 to 15 minutes. It will improve your concentration and also your memory power. And then gather more and more previous year question papers from the internet and try to solve all of them. And when you're solving the previous year question paper, make sure that you complete the exam within the given time frame. This will make you gain confidence, and it will also improve the accuracy in arriving the answers. And then maintain your self-confidence intact. Never fall prey for peer pressure, and do not ever compare yourself with your friend. This is highly discouraging, and at times it is even dangerous also. And do not skip any portions, as it will create a fear within yourself. And lastly, eat and sleep well. A healthy mind can always think way better than those who skip their eating or sleeping on the previous night of the exam. So let's move on to the next topic, employment opportunities. Like I said in the last session, GATE is not only for pursuing a master's degree, but it also opens up a lot of employment opportunities in public sector units in India. This is because recently the public sector units made it mandatory to have a valid GATE score for the candidates applying for the jobs. There are totally 24 PSUs in India, and out of them 16 are giving job opportunities based on the GATE score. This includes some big names like Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, and National Fertilizers, etc. And otherwise, the candidates can also go for research fellowship programs if they are not so interested in pursuing the jobs. This will be a great option for those who want to do research and invent new things. Other than this, there are also options like associate or assistant professor in colleges, and also even subject matter expert in their respective field. These areas also have high demand, as they have a good expertise in their respective fields. So always keep in mind that there are always a good demand for the good talents in the country. So that's all about the GATE examination preparation. For more information, please do visit our website examcv.com. Thanks for watching. All the best for your examination.